Sewing machines for bags are tools used for the sewing of paper, fabric, plastic, jute, and nets. They exist in both electric and battery-powered models, as well as pneumatic models. They are equipped with automatic draw-through, and additional accessories can be purchased, such as a backpack with a transformer that can transform the sewing machine's voltage from 220 to 12 volts, allowing for sewing in places where there is no access to electricity. An adapter can also be purchased to allow for the use of any type of thread, as threads come in both conical and cylindrical shapes. More basic models, such as those from the FPGK line available in both battery and electric models, such as the FPG 350 or 2701, are lightweight and suitable for sewing small to medium-sized bags. These models are able to sew materials up to 8 to 10 millimeters in thickness and have a single automatic draw-through. The thread tension can be adjusted via brake, located at the top of the machine. If the material is thick, more thread may need to be released during sewing. More professional and robust models are recommended for high production continuous use and have an ergonomic handle, are suitable for sewing materials up to 10 to 12 millimeters in thickness, and can be used with 220-volt electric power, battery power, or external battery power in a backpack. These more professional models have the option of double draw-through inferior and superior for high performance, as well as models with cutting capabilities for trimming the product. Thread is available in various colors such as white, blue, and red, and is made of 100% polyester, making it suitable for use in a variety of settings. These machines sew with a chain stitch, and a single bobbin can sew approximately 350 meters of bag. All machines are available for immediate delivery, and repairs can be made at our warehouse. For more information, please contact our technicians via email or phone.